MoneyLion's membership cost only becomes noticeable when you start using Instacash regularly and realize that some features change depending on whether your account is free or upgraded. By the end, you'll understand what MoneyLion charges for membership, what you actually get for it, and when it stops being worth paying. MoneyLion uses a tiered membership system. That means different users can see different features depending on whether they're on the basic free version or a paid membership level. The core idea is access. Some tools work without paying, while others are tied to membership status. Now focus on what people usually misunderstand. MoneyLion is not just charging for cash advances. The membership is tied to multiple features like Instacash access, financial tracking tools, and eligibility improvements. If your membership changes or lapses, you may notice Instacash limits drop or features disappear entirely. Next, check what you're actually using. If you're only opening the app for a cash advance once in a while, the membership may not feel necessary. But if you're relying on Instacash frequently, the membership status directly affects how often you qualify and how much you can access. Now look at eligibility behavior. MoneyLion adjusts Instacash based on your income deposits, account activity, and bank connection stability. If those signals are inconsistent, your available advance amount can change even if your membership is active. That's where users get confused and think the cost is the problem, when it's actually account data. Now, talk about value. The membership only makes sense if you consistently use multiple features, not just one. If you're not using the budgeting tools, credit insights, or advanced features regularly, you're basically paying for access you don't fully use. Now, consider timing and expectations. Even with membership, cash advance approval and delivery depend on your banking history and system checks. That means membership does not guarantee instant or higher approvals every time. Here's the simple breakdown. MoneyLion membership is tied to feature access, Instacash eligibility, and account data signals rather than just a flat paywall. Its value depends entirely on how often you use the app and how stable your income activity looks. Do this next. Open your MoneyLion app and check your current membership status. Then review your Instacash eligibility history. After that, look at how often you actually use the extra features beyond cash advances. If you're only using Instacash occasionally, the membership likely isn't adding much value. MoneyLion works best when it's used as a full financial tool, not just a quick cash advance app.